Bobo.
Treasure chest.
Good job.
Spider web. Let's get spider web. Spider web. Treasure chest.
Bobo,
What?
you're doing a great job.
Candy.
Are you done playing that game?
Yeah.
Really? What is it, an advertisement? Darn things, huh? How old are you, Bubba? Really? You wouldn't tell it sitting here watching you. Can you tell everybody hi? Love. Ma. No, Bebe, it's not the touch screen, okay? I think that's great how you work the mouse. I think that's great how you use this thing. Go ahead. Play your games.
The clothes you want me to wear. I look like a princess. Ooh, I like that.
Hey, Bo.
What?
Say bye-bye.